How to open the Sync bank account online. To open the Sync bank account online, launch the Sync bank application over here, which is the Hong Kong application. Once you have launched it, you can see various options, and now we are trying to apply for a new account, so tap on this option called Apply Online from the bottom left corner. When we tap on the Apply Online option on the next page, we can see various options. We can apply for account and debit card, apply for credit card, or apply for personal loan. I'm assuming you want to create a new account, so select Apply for account as well as debit card that comes with it. On the next page, you have to follow a couple of other prompts and information, so just be patient and wait until this page loads up, where you have to select the type of banking you want, so whether VIP banking, U banking. So I will not get to this individually, you can just select this based on your choice, and you can see what kind of options that you will need, and after that you can just go ahead and then select I just want to open VIP I account and debit card, so tap the next option. So there will be some of the requirements as you can see, and the preparation, whatever you will need, Hong Kong ID, which is permanent identity card for Hong Kong, then tap on the next option. Are you an existing Sync bank customer? No, and enter the characters over here to verify them, and after that you have to enter a couple of other personal banking information, after which the bank will be able to verify your information and create and approve your request for you. That way you can open Sync bank account online. Thanks for watching. To subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.